Okay friends, as you can see in heading, let's start. Let's start it. We will we will today learn about important words of lesson 1 of Kailash Chandra. We will try to write them in Greg shorthand. So let's start. The first hard word is summarized. SUMMARISED, summarized. So we will write it as SMRIESD, summarized. SMRIESD, summarized. SMRIESD, summarized. Now we will try to write decision. DECISION, decision. Decision is written as DSE 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 decision. Now we will try to write initiate. INITIATE, initiate. Initiate is written in Greek shorthand like this: ENECATE, I ENESHIATE, initiate. Now let's write distinguished. DIS, TIN, GUISHED, distinguished. Distinguished is written as DST, distinguished. DST, distinguished. DST, distinguished. DST, distinguished. Now we will try to write tentative. TENTATIVE, tentative. Tentative is written as ten. As you know, ten blend. Ten blend is like this. So tentative is ten TATV. Tentative. Tentative. Now we will try to write comprehensive. COMPREHENSIVE, comprehensive. Comprehensive is written as com PRENSV, comprehensive. Now let us write representations. REPRESENTATIONS, representations. Representation is written as RPtion, representation. Now we will put S, representations, to make it representations. RPtion, representation, then S, representations. Now we will try to write chairmanship. CHAIRMANSHIP, chairmanship. Chairmanship is written as we have CH MN SIP, CHMN SIP, CHMN SIP, chairmanship. Now we will try to write Sri Bhabha, SHRI, Sri, SHRI, Sri, BHABA, Bhabha. So Sri is written as SRE Sri, SRE Sri, SRE Sri. You can also write it as SHRE Sri, but it is easy. So we will write SRE Sri, SRE Sri, SRE Sri. Now we will try to write Bhabha, BABA. B अब हमें but we want to write Bhabha, not Baba. So H, bha 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 ba bha ba bhaba. Now we will try to write bearing, BEARING, bearing. Bearing is written as BARING, BARING, BARING. Now we will try to write witness, WITNESS, witness. Witness is written as WETNES, 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 witness. Now we will try to write department, DEPARTMENT, department. Department, we will write department as in Gregg shorthand. I found that in Gregg shorthand dictionary, department is written as DPT-ment, but we will write department as DP department, DP department, DP department, DP department. It is easy to write and it is not time consuming. It is time consuming. Okay. Another tip: if you want to write departmental, DEPART, depart, MENTAL, departmental, then you will have to write departmental as DP and then L, DPL, departmental, DPL, departmental, DPL, departmental. Okay. You are watching all these videos on our channel. Please subscribe it for more videos. Secondly, I am Saurabh, SAURAB, Saurabh Tripathi, helping you to learn Gregg shorthand. So I also I also would like to write my name in Gregg shorthand. You can also try writing your name in Gregg shorthand. Saurabh will be written like SORABH, Saurabh, SORABH, Saurabh. Tripathi, TREPATHE, Tripathi, TREPATHE, Tripathi. Now let's sorry, this all this is not in lesson 1 of Kailash Chandra. Now we will try to write revenue department. Not revenue department. I am telling you how I have told you how to write department. Now we will try to write purchase department. Purchase, 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 DEPARTMENT, department. As all of you know, if you have done the whole book of Gregg shorthand, you would definitely know that purchase department would be written like PRCH, purchase department, PRCH, purchase department, D for department, PRCH, purchase department. अच्छा, Good. Now we will try to write light, Light. The brief form of light is this, light, light, Lie, light. Now we will try to write interested, Interested. Interested would be written like interest, d, interest, d, inter, then s, interest, or फिर d, interested. Now we will try to write reveal, reveal. Reveal would be written like reveal, reveal. Now we will try to write recommend, recommend. Recommend would be written like recommend, recommend. Now we will try to write recommendation, recommendation. Recommendation would be written like recommendation, recommendation. It is all about. Now we have done the back side of the Kailash Chandra lesson 1. We will do in some another day. Thank you.